This morning yoga practice will energize your body, help you feel ready and active for the whole day. Let's begin. Start on your hands and knees in the tabletop position. Move through cat-cow. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Come into down facing dog. Relax here and take a few deep breaths. Right leg lifts up. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Then, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Feel your whole body lengthen. Twist to the right side, opening your chest. Stay here and breathe. Place both hands back on the floor. Step to down facing dog. Left leg lifts up. Hold for a few breaths. Step forward into low lunge. On this side, feel the energy in your body. Twist to the left side. Stay here, opening up. Hands to the floor, step back to down facing dog. Right leg lifts again. Step forward to warrior one. Breathe here. Feel your legs strong and active. Open to warrior two. Hold and enjoy this powerful pose. Straighten your front leg, fold forward, then come into goddess pose. Sit low, feel the energy rising from your legs, up through your head. Move into Skandasana, starting to the left side. Sit low, hands in prayer. Or twist and reach your right right arm up. Change sides to Skandasana on the right. Hands in prayer or twist, reaching your left arm up. Place both hands on the floor, step back to down facing dog. Stay here, lengthen through your spine. Lift your left leg up, then step it forward into Warrior One. Stay here, breathe, and take a moment to feel strong. Open to Warrior Two. Feel grounded. Then fold forward and come into Goddess pose, this time with hands in prayer. Sink low, open the hips. Shift into Skandasana to the left side. Stay here, breathing. Then change to the right side and very soft stretch. From here, move into Runner's Lunge, then transition back to down facing dog. Stay here, take a deep breath, and enjoy this moment. Tiptoe your feet to the top of the mat into forward fold. Let your spine completely relax. Slowly roll up to mountain pose. Take a few gentle shoulder circles. Sit back in chair pose and start to pull up and down, up and down. Then fold forward again, lift halfway up, Exhale and step back into plank. Hold it, sway gently forward and back. Then lower all the way down to the mat and rest. Slowly lift your chest into cobra pose. Feel your spine lengthen as you breathe in. Exhale, press back into down facing dog. And then gently come to sit on the floor, preparing for a seated forward fold. Rest your hands on the floor or wherever is comfortable for you today. Breathe slowly and enjoy this deep stretch. Now bring your right leg over your left and gently twist to the right side. Feel your spine softly rotating. Then switch sides. Left leg over your right and twist to the left. Come back to down facing dog for a final stretch. Shift forward into plank. Lower through chaturanga and press back into down facing dog for one last deep breath here. Slowly roll up to mountain pose. Take a few gentle shoulder circles. Let's finish this practice with a tree pose. Bring your right foot onto your left leg and gently sway side to side, like a tree moving in the wind. Then switch sides. Left foot on your right leg and again softly swaying, preparing your mind and body for an unpredictable day ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'm so glad you finished this class. See you next time. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.